Yeah, but wind's definitely playing a factor, and new data this morning shows our highest fire danger of the year so far.
Already this week, we've seen multiple grass fires. New at 9, the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management is saying they're activating the state's Emergency Operations Center for critical fire weather and high winds starting at 10. We are under a red flag warning. They're going to have to use fire suppression groups today all the way through Sunday in Guthrie and in Weatherford. Meteorologist Joseph Neubauer, one of the people who knows best about this. We have a new update, Joseph, from the state officials, including what to expect as we start to move forward.
Yeah, good morning, guys. State officials warning that this is certainly a highlight concern. Near record dryness is what we're really watching. That's been the issue this week. Today, as Cameron said, the highest risk we've seen in nearly a year for fire danger here in Oklahoma. Currently on pace for our third driest winter. That's according to the Oklahoma Mesonet. And when you couple this with record rains we saw last year in the above normal amounts of dormant, dry vegetation on the ground, that's a recipe for high fire danger, a risk that gets worse, of course, as we move further into spring.
It's not incredibly unusual to see outbreaks of wildfire during January and February, but it really gets ramped up as we go through late winter into early spring.
Our state climatologist there says there's no crystal ball into February and March, but history tells us that coming into early spring with historical dryness is not a good thing. Back to today, many of us are not under burn ban just yet, but today is a day where there's an exception to that rule. Just pretend like you're under burn ban. It'll really help mitigate that risk on these high-end days. Guys, back over to you.